To start from scratch means to start a task or project from the very beginning. I want to learn how to cook.
Start from scratch with easy recipes and gradually move to more complex ones. I'm very interested in learning programming languages.
You can start from scratch by mastering the basics.
Good or bad, we're all in this together. Well, I guess we're all starting from scratch.
To get the ball rolling means taking the first step to start something, or encourage others to join in. I haven't started my morning routine.
Wake up 15 minutes earlier tomorrow to get the ball rolling on a consistent routine. I'm unsure where to begin my job search.
Update your resume today to get the ball rolling on finding new opportunities.
Aaron, why don't you get the ball rolling?
Okay. So we both... Right. So we all... This is actually quite hard.
To turn over a new leaf means making a positive change in behavior or starting fresh. I don't feel confident about myself.
Let's turn over a new leaf and focus on building your self-esteem together. I haven't been very kind lately.
Why not turn over a new leaf and practice kindness starting today?
I tried to change, turn over a new leaf, but the leaf isn't turning.
You weren't ready to change. And that's okay.
To start with a clean slate means start fresh by leaving the past behind and learning from mistakes.
The last project didn't go as planned.
True, but we can learn from it and start with a clean slate on the next one. We've been arguing a lot lately.
Let's forgive each other and start with a clean slate for a healthier relationship.
It's not often you get the opportunity to start over with a clean slate. This time, things will be different.
To ring in the new year means to celebrate the beginning of something, such as a new year.
Any plans to ring in the new year?
I've got concert tickets, so we'll welcome the new year with live music. Will you attend the New Year's Eve fireworks show?
Yes, I think the fireworks will be a fantastic way to ring in the new year.
Ladies, gentlemen, and the rest of you low-down cats, it's time to ring in the new year!
Happy New Year.
Idiom for you.